Right outside this bedroom, we have the swimming pool area, and here we go. G. This is a shower area, and yeah, this is the steam bath area. So what we basically are planning over here is we'll be including a natural plunge pool it's kind of an infinity experience which is connecting with the pond. Here we'll be having natural massage and spa area. We'll be also having a mud pool over here where people can take mud baths and then they can have a refreshing view of this serene beautiful area. Okay, this landscape is completely located in the wilderness of Jaipur. Thank you.